Good evening everybody. I am doing a video on rational numbers exercise 1C. This is for class 8 Selina Concise mathematics books. Alright, and rational numbers has been a spillover from class 6, 7, alright, and 8 with little bit of complicated sums, but it's easy, nothing to worry. So I just thought I will give you a brief on multiplication and then start with the exercise. Multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication is nothing but product of two rational numbers is equal to product of the numerators by product of their denominators. Hope this is clear. If a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is equal to a into c by b into d. I know you guys know all this, but it's just a refresher. Alright, and now moving on to the properties of multiplication of rational numbers. First one is closure property. If any two rational numbers are multiplicated together, the result is always a rational number, and that is the closure property. Commutative property. According to commutative property of multiplication, if a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is equal to c by d into a by b. I know you guys are very clear with this property. Now, associative property. Associative property is nothing but, according to this property, if a by b and c by d and e by f are any three rational numbers, then a into c by d into e by f is equal to a by b into c by d into e by f. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand the use of parenthesis. Hope this is clear. Few points that you guys have to remember. Multiplicative identity of a rational number is 1. Pausing here. The reciprocal of a rational number is called the multiplicative inverse. These could be all your 1-mark questions. Okay. Rational number, that is 0, does not have the multiplicative inverse. Alright. Product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is equal to multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative inverse of itself, and so is minus 1. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. Now you have distributivity of multiplication. If a by b, c by d and e by f are any three rational numbers, then a by b into c by d plus e by f is equal to a by d into c by d plus a by b into e by f. And second one, it can also follow subtraction. Okay, a by b into c by d minus e by f is equal to a by b into c by d minus a by b into e by f. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. Hope this is clear. Now, I'm moving on to the exercise. It's all pretty easy. Evaluate the first question. Minus 14 by 5 into minus 6 by 7. That is minus 14 into minus 6 by 5 into 7. Guys, I've used a color pencil to cross out, the required terms. So it becomes minus 2 into minus 6 by 5 into 1. That is plus 12 by 5. Therefore, minus 14 by 5 into minus 6 by 7 is equal to 12 by 5. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the second one. 7 by 6 into minus 18 by 91. Again, I've used the color pencils to cross out. Please check. So this becomes 1 into minus 3 by 1 into 13. That is minus 3 by 13. Therefore, 7 by 6 into minus 18 by 91 is equal to minus 3 into 13. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the third sum of the first question. Minus 125 by 72 into 9 by minus 5. That is equal to minus 125 into 9 by 72 into minus 5. See how I've cancelled. That is minus 25 into 1 by 8 into minus 1. That is minus 25 by minus 8. That is 25 by 8. That is equal to 3 1 by 8. Therefore minus 125 into 9 by minus 5 is equal to 3 1 by 8. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. Hope this is clear. Alright, let me move on to the fourth sum. Minus 11 by 9 into minus 51 by minus 44. That is equal to minus 11 into minus 51 by 9 into minus 44. That just see what I have done. It is minus 1 into minus 51 by 9 into minus 4, that is plus 51 by minus 56, that is nothing but 17 by 12. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. The answer is minus 11 by 9 into minus 51 by minus 44 is equal to minus 17 by 12. Just pausing in for few seconds. Yeah, moving on to the next sum. Minus 16 by 5 into 20 by 8, that is equal to minus 16 into 20 by 5 into 8, that is nothing but minus 2 into 4 by 1 into 1, that is minus 8 by 1, that is equal to minus 8. Therefore, that's equal to minus 16 by 5 into 20 by 8 is equal to minus 8. Just pausing in for few seconds. Alright, let's move on to the next question. It's a second question. So you have about 5 or 6 sums in second question. So let's start doing the first one. 5 by 6 and 8 by 9. That is equal to 5 into 8 by 6 into 9. That's equal to 5 into 4 by 3 into 9. That's equal to 20 by 27. Therefore, 5 and 6 and 8 by 9 is equal to 20 by 27. Just pausing in for few seconds. Moving on to the next one. 2 by 7 and minus 14 by 9, that's equal to 2 into minus 14 by 7 into 9, that is 2 into minus 2 by 1 into 9, that's equal to minus 4 by 9. Therefore, 2 by 7 and minus 14 by 9 is equal to minus 4 by 9. Just pausing in for few seconds. The third one. Minus 7 by 8 and 4, that is minus 7 into 4 by 8 into 1, that's equal to minus 7 into 1 by 2 into 1, that's equal to minus 7 by 2. That is therefore minus 7 by 8 and 4, the answer is minus 7 by 2. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next one, fourth one. 36 by minus 7 and minus 9 by 28. That is 36 into minus 9 by minus 7 into 28. That's equal to 9 into minus 9 by minus 7 into 7. That is minus 81 by minus 49. That's nothing but 81 by 49. That is 132 by 49. Therefore, 36 by minus 7 and minus 9 by 28 is equal to 132 by 49. Hope this is clear. Fifth sum. Minus 7 by 10 and minus 8 by 15. That's minus 7 by 10 into minus 8 by 15 is equal to minus 4 into minus 7 into minus 4 by 5 into 15. That is equal to 28 by 75. Therefore, minus 7 by 10 and minus 8 by 15 is equal to 28 by 75. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next one. 3 by minus 2 and minus 7 by 3. That is 3 by 2 into minus 7 by 3 is equal to 1 into minus 7 by minus 2 into 1. That is equal to 7 by 2. That's equal to 3 1 by 2. Therefore, minus 3 by minus 2 and minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 1 by 2. Just pausing in for a few seconds. Okay, now let's move on to the next category of sums. It's a little, little on the higher side. I don't say it's complex, but more time to simplify. 2 by minus 3 into 5 by 4 plus 5 by 9 into 3 by minus 10. That's equal to 2 into 5 by minus 3 into 4 plus 5 into 3 by 9 into minus 10. After simplification, you get 1 into 5 by minus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1 into 3 into minus 6. Therefore, 5 by 6 plus 5 by minus 6 plus 1 by minus 6. That's equal to minus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6. The common denominator, therefore, minus 5 minus 1 by 6, that's equal to minus 6 by 6, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the answer is minus 1. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand. Second one. 2 into 1 by 4 minus of minus 18 by 7 into minus 7 by 15. That is 2 into 1 by 4 minus of minus 18 into minus 7 by 7 into 15. Just see what all I have crossed out. So you get 1 by 2 minus of minus 6 into minus 1 into 1 by 5. That is 1 by 2 minus of 6 by 5. And here the LCM is of 2 and 5 is 10. That is 5 minus 12 by 10. The answer is minus 7 by 10. Therefore, the answer is minus 7 by 10. Moving on to the third sum. Minus 5 into 2 by 15 minus of minus 6 into 2 by 9. That is minus 5 into 2 by 15 minus of minus 6 into 2 by 9. Just see the way I have crossed out. It becomes minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 4 by 3. That is minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. It's a common denominator. So it becomes minus 2 plus 4 by 3. The answer is 2 by 3. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. Hope this is clear. And now let's move on to the fourth sum. 8 into 5 into minus 3 by 2 plus minus 3 by 10 into 9 by 16. So it becomes 8 into minus 3 by 5 into 2 plus minus 3 into 9 by 10 into 16. See, so this becomes 4 into minus 3 by 5 into 1 plus of minus 3 into 9 by 10 into 16. So this becomes minus 12 by 5 plus of minus 127 by 160. The LCM of 5 and 160 is 160. Therefore, it becomes minus 384 minus 27 by 160. That's equal to minus 411 by 160. Therefore, the answer is minus 411 by 160. Just pausing in for a few seconds. Let's do the fourth main, and I'll stop for the fourth main. Multiply each rational number given below by 1. So 7 by 5 implies 7 by minus 5 into 1, that is minus 7 by 5. Minus 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4 into 1, that is 3 by 4. 0, that is 0 into 1, that's 0. Minus 8 by 13 is equal to minus 8 by 13 into 1, that is equal to minus 8 by 13. Fifth one is minus 6 by minus 7, that's equal to 6 by 7 into 1, that is equal to 6 by 7. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds. I think we have about 10 or 11 means in this particular exercise. I'll continue the rest of them in my next video. So until I see you then, bye-bye. Take care.